In a serene village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a skilled weaver named Mei Lin. Her intricate tapestries were renowned throughout the land for their beauty and craftsmanship. Yet Mei Lin's life was not without its trials. One day, a calamitous storm ravaged the village, destroying Mei Lin's home and workshop. All her materials, looms, and precious tapestries were swept away by the relentless fury of nature. Mei Lin stood amidst the ruins, heart heavy with sorrow and despair. Determined to rebuild her life, Mei Lin sought guidance from the village elder Master Chen, known for his wisdom and insight. With a heavy heart, she recounted her losses and asked, "How can I begin anew when everything I've worked for has been washed away?" Master Chen, with a serene gaze, listened intently and replied, "Mei Lin, life often presents us with storms that tear away what we hold dear. But like the thread you weave into a tapestry, each challenge is an opportunity to create something new." Inspired by Master Chen's words, Mei Lin embarked on a journey of resilience and renewal. With unwavering determination, she gathered remnants of her torn tapestries and salvaged threads from the debris. Setting up a makeshift loom under a sturdy oak tree, she began weaving anew. Days turned into weeks, and Mei Lin poured her heart into each stitch, infusing the threads with her resilience and hope. Villagers, witnessing her unwavering spirit, offered their support. Some brought threads, others shared stories of their own trials, fostering a sense of community and encouragement. As Mei Lin's tapestry took shape, a reflection of her journey emerged. Each thread represented not only her trials, but also her strength, her perseverance, and the unity of the village. The tapestry told a story of resilience woven with threads of courage, faith, and the human spirit's indomitable nature. Eventually, Mei Lin completed her masterpiece, a tapestry that shimmered with hues of determination and triumph. The village gathered to witness her creation, marveling at its beauty and the story it conveyed. Master Chen, observing Mei Lin's triumph, approached her with a serene smile. "You've woven more than just a tapestry, Mei Lin. You've woven the essence of resilience and the wisdom to embrace life's challenges." Mei Lin bowed humbly, acknowledging the lessons learned from her trials. With renewed strength and a heart filled with gratitude, she continued her craft, weaving stories of resilience and hope for all who crossed her path. And so, Mei Lin's tapestry stood not only as a testament to her resilience, but also as an enduring reminder that challenges, when faced with courage and determination, can be woven into the fabric of our lives, creating a masterpiece of strength and resilience.